There it goes.
The investigation on Skinwalker Ranch is hotter than ever.
Burn, baby, burn. Start corkscrewing in.
Look at the spike right here.
There's some unidentified source of 1.2 gigahertz.
And while the team drills deeper for new rock-solid clues in the mesa,
Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Dude, well, holy crap, what was that?
new and shocking revelations
There it is.
have appeared out of thin air.
Traveling faster than a satellite. What is that?
But just how are all of these incredible phenomena connected?
That image stays with me. It's chilling.
I'm back behind the gates to find out.
There's definitely an active component to whatever's in the mesa.
It almost seems like it's teasing you or copying you.
It gets even crazier if you can believe it.
Incredible.